The hidden cost of staying comfortable at your job. How to start over in your 60s without fear. Starting over at 60, most people say it's too late. I say it's the best time. Subscribe and let me show you why. Why age is an advantage. You've got wisdom, self-discipline, and perspective. Employers or industries may dismiss you, but digital business doesn't care about your age. Do you see your age as an obstacle or an asset? Why digital income works for seniors. There's no inventory, no cold calls, and no recruiting ever. Automated tools run 24/7 worldwide. Flexible schedule, just a couple hours a day. My story, fear of freedom at 70. And my moment of doubt, I almost didn't start because I thought I wasn't tech savvy enough. The turning point for me was mentorship and a step-by-step blueprint. First small win, the relief it brought. Steps to start over without fear. Step 1, find a proven blueprint, not free scams, but real, honest systems. Step 2, lean on mentorship. I certainly did. Now I mentor others. Step 3, take small daily action. And step 4, celebrate progress, not perfection. If you had to start over today, what would scare you the most? Technology, time, money, or all of the above? Share it below and let's talk about it. And don't miss my next video where I share how seniors are actually building income streams online right now. It's never too late to write a new chapter in your story. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me and I will definitely answer any and all your questions. I look forward to it.